Hey there! Welcome back to Legend Finance. Today, we're focusing on the world of day trading, making it more approachable and understandable for everyone. We've got some key tips and strategies to help beginners kickstart their trading journey. So let's jump right in. And as always, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to mastering the financial markets together, starting with Day Trading 101. So you know what's wild. If we were to dive into trading from scratch, the first step would be to stash some extra cash. We know it's easier said than done, right? But think about this. Extra shifts, a bit of weekend work, and bam, we've got a bigger starting pot. And in trading, even a small pot can cook up some great results. Next, let's play treasure hunt at home. We're not talking about selling our cars, let's not go overboard. But remember those old electronics or books we never touched? Or that exercise bike that's been doing a great job as a clothes rack? Why not turn them into some extra trading cash? Lastly, what if we hit the pause button on those non-essential purchases for a while? Picture this. Each dollar saved from skipping that fancy coffee or holding off on the latest gadget can be another dollar going into our trading fund. It's all about making our money work smarter, not harder. Not buying. You know those shiny new sneakers and clothes we love to splurge on? Imagine we put a pin in that for a bit. Now, I'm not saying we can't treat ourselves every now and then, but maybe we can ease off the gas pedal while shopping. We're looking to switch lanes, step into an entrepreneurial mindset. It might mean saying no to a few wants, but think about it. Every buck we don't spend on that stuff can be put to work in our trading adventure. So we're basically juggling three things here: pumping up our savings, turning our unused stuff into cash, and toning down on the non-essential buys. Mix these all together, and we've got ourselves a solid start on our trading path. Sounds like a plan, right? Find an expert. And you know what else could be a game changer? Finding an expert to guide us is easy, and there's no need for us to reinvent the wheel, right? If a strategy works for someone else, chances are it could work for us too. All we need is to roll up our sleeves and put in the work. And here's a little secret. What's the quickest route to success? It's finding someone who's already nailed it in the field we're interested in and just following their lead. So if we're stepping into the trading world, let's find someone who's really nailing their trades and learn the ropes from them. Imagine what we could pick up. Follow an expert. Another vital step. We need to really understand the ins and outs of the market. That means learning from someone who's already mastered the game. They don't have to be 15-year veterans, but we need to make sure they know their stuff. Think about it. Learning from someone who's actively trading, sharing their wins and even their losses, that's our fast lane to success. And let's remember this. We're students of the game here. No one becomes a trading whiz overnight. There are stages to this, and we're just starting out. That's all good though, because each step we take is one step closer to mastering the trading game. In the learning and testing phases, we're picking up a new strategy, and then we're putting it to the test and getting the hang of it. But here's the thing we need to remember. We can't rush this. Just like we wouldn't expect to become basketball pros after a week of playing, we can't expect to master trading in a flash. It's super important to remember that we're in the learning phase, so let's cut ourselves some slack. We're not going to force things, we're just going to focus on learning the ropes one step at a time. Demo. The fourth step in this journey, exploring a demo trading account, and picture it as a simulation game where viewers can learn the mechanics of trading in a safe, risk-free environment. It's a fantastic tool that beginners frequently overlook. Here's a crucial suggestion. Before diving headfirst into the trading waters, it's really beneficial to spend time with a demo account. It offers a chance to understand the ebb and flow of markets without putting any actual money at risk. It's like getting a sneak peek of the trading world before stepping into the limelight. But let's not forget an important aspect: seeking advice from a professional. When it comes to finances, consulting with a professional accountant or financial advisor is always a wise move. It can provide invaluable insights and help navigate financial decisions with greater confidence. All in all, it sounds like a sound plan for stepping into the trading world. And the next crucial step: investing more time into demo trading. This virtual platform is going to be the ultimate training ground, helping build trading skills and providing familiarity with the market's rhythm. Here's an insider tip. Treat the demo account like it's a live one. If a demo account starts with a $100,000 virtual balance, and one is risking $2,000 or $3,000 per virtual trade, that's not going to mirror real-life trading for most people. So if the plan is to risk $100 per trade in the live account, do the same in the demo. It's all about consistency. And another thing, stick with the demo account for a good while. This practice time is invaluable, so make the most of it. Keep in mind to consult a professional accountant or financial advisor to ensure financial decisions are made with the best possible guidance. Losing. Another key step. Regularly reviewing and learning from losing trades. It can be tempting to ignore the losses, hoping for a better week ahead. But the reality is that failing to analyze losses is a common pitfall among traders. In fact, it's surprising how many traders don't take the time to look back on their losing trades. The truth is, these losses can be invaluable learning experiences. Taking the time to analyze why a trade didn't work out, whether it was entering too late in a trend or some other factor, can significantly improve trading skills. So the suggestion is to not only focus on the winning trades but also analyze the losses. This exercise can provide insights that will help one become a better trader. It's like turning a setback into a setup for a comeback. Winning. Now, just as important as studying losing trades is understanding the winning ones. Why? Because winning trades hold the key to repeatable success. If one can recognize the patterns or setups that led to a win, it becomes easier to spot them in real time in the future. Surprisingly, a lot of traders on a winning streak forget to take note of what's working for them. Then, when a losing streak hits, they're left scrambling, forgetting what led to their success in the first place. The takeaway here, make a habit of studying both the wins and the losses. Understand what works and what doesn't. These lessons can make anyone a better trader over time. Process. Another vital step, prioritize the process over the profits. It's simple to become enamored with the allure of money and lose sight of the process. But here's the thing, focusing too much on the money can lead to impulsive decisions, rushing trades, and ignoring important market signals. So instead of just chasing the profits, it's more beneficial to pay attention to the trading process. This means learning to wait and letting the market guide decisions rather than forcing trades. If a trade doesn't go well and money is lost, don't panic or fret over losing more. Keep a cool head and focus on the next opportunity. Remember, it's all about the process. When the process is understood and respected, profits will follow naturally. So don't let greed for quick gains or fear of losses guide you. Stick to the strategy, follow the process, and the money will follow. Short recap. Let's quickly recap all these powerful tips that can help you kickstart your trading journey in a more successful manner. 1. Save up money. You may need to put in extra hours at work 7 days a week, or find other ways to increase your income. Be proactive about raising funds for your trading account. 2. Sell unnecessary items. Whether it's unused gadgets, furniture, or clothes, selling items that you no longer need can provide additional funding for your trading account. 3. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Curb those impulsive purchases. Remember, each penny saved today can be invested for a potential profit tomorrow. 4. Find a mentor. Trading is not a journey to embark on alone. Finding someone who has already achieved success in trading can fast-track your learning. If they offer a training program, consider investing in it. 5. Pace yourself. You're in a learning phase, so there's no need to rush. The market isn't going anywhere. Take your time to learn and understand how it works. 6. Get to grips with demo trading. This is a great way to practice and refine your skills without any financial risk. Treat demo trading as if it were with your live account to gain the most realistic experience. 7. Study losing and winning trades. Understand what's working and what's not by studying both your losses and wins. This helps you avoid repeating the same mistakes and consolidate successful strategies. 8. Focus on the process, not the money. Concentrate on mastering trading techniques, market analysis, and decision-making processes. The profits will follow. 9. Study market structure. Understanding the overall behavior of the market is crucial. Look out for trends, range-bound markets, breakouts, pullbacks, and potential reversals. 10. Consult a professional. Make sure to get advice from a professional financial advisor or accountant when making significant financial decisions. Their guidance can be invaluable for navigating the complexities of trading. Remember, successful trading isn't just about making quick money. It's about developing a deep understanding of the markets, refining strategies, and honing decision-making skills. And most importantly, it's about patience and persistence. Thank you for watching Legend Finance. We hope you found our beginner's guide to day trading helpful and accessible. Remember, every great trader started as a beginner, so don't be afraid to learn, make mistakes, and grow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights, and feel free to drop any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Together, we can make finance inclusive and understandable for everyone. Until next time, keep learning, keep trading, and as always, stay legendary.